In this video, you'll learn how to set up Google Assistant on your Pixel 9a. By following these steps, you will enable voice commands and customize your assistant to suit your preferences. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 9a and locating the Settings app on your home screen. Once you've opened the Settings app, scroll down until you find the option labeled. Tap on this option to proceed. After that, select Settings for Google Apps. This will take you to a new screen with various options related to Google services. Next, look for the section titled Search, Assistant and Voice. Tap on this option to access settings specifically for Google Assistant. You will then see Google Assistant. Tap on this to enter the main setup area for Assistant features. Ensure that your Google account is signed in on this device, as this is essential for utilizing all Assistant functionalities effectively. After confirming your account is signed in, proceed to tap on Voice Match. Here, you will enable the Hey Google option. This feature will allow you to activate Google Assistant with just your voice. Follow the on-screen instructions to train your voice model. You will be prompted to repeat specific phrases to help the assistant recognize your voice accurately. It is advisable to perform this setup in a quiet environment to ensure the best results. Once you have completed the voice training, you can customize your assistant further. Explore additional settings that allow you to adjust routines, and you can customize how the assistant responds, including modifying language, voice, and notification settings. To test your setup, simply say, "Hey Google," followed by a command to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Adjustments can be made to these settings at any time to enhance your experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.